What's up, guys? Doing some car testing. Did some builds today and needed to test them, but just for the heck of it, we'll run some other stuff too, just to play around with. So this isn't one that I built today. This is just a stock Auto World extraction. Sometimes we drive this stuff just to remind ourselves what is out there, what's being sold, and kind of also how others are, what kind of slot car experience they're having. We have it on 18 volts right now, and this thing it's wicked fast. I mean, it's actually way too fast for its own good. Luckily, I have an adjustable controller, but we're running, 7.9 second laps. Car's bouncing around off the track. But I am wheeling it, that was a 7.0, 6.7. So let's just see what we can get out of this old stock AFX Auto World extraction. 6.4. So obviously there's a lot that you can do to those things. Something we did build today, this is a Gen 2 dash. With a 16 ohm arm. Actually, I'll come over and show you guys. 16 ohm arm, all metal gears. This is the Dash Gen 2, T-Dash Gen 2. Has an Auto World body on it. We just built this. We actually just did a YouTube video on the build and track testing and all that stuff. Has Auto World body on it. Hopefully that's not too in your face, but pretty sweet. They are in IROC colors. So there was a sale last month. I picked up some and just built one. We're driving it around, having some fun. So I think these things, they run like, they're not nearly as pipey because they're just built differently, but a lot easier to drive. I can slap the throttle and a tight corner or a little short straightaway. But pretty pleasant to drive, but just built this one, like I said earlier. Running 9-second lap times. There's a 8.9 second lap time. This one, if I can get it there, will be quicker. 8.96. So, but kind of the star of the show right now. This is a Hopra spec racer that I built. Full on, this is level 4 car made for Hopra. That one will be at Hopra Nats. Let's make sure we have all of our stuff set up. So feels really good. Running 2.9 second laps. There's a 280 and we crashed her, but pretty good. Really stoked on that one. I'll show you guys real quick. This is a customer car, so I don't want to beat it up too bad, but really cool body that Tawny did. Nice green and blue. And then underneath, V1 chassis, pin, level 4, balanced arm, silver electrical, tweaked, you name it, it's got it. But really cool setup. That's pretty much it. The only other cars that I have out here are just, we call them mule cars, so they're just test cars, but stock V-spec. I can run that for you guys just to see how it runs compared to the spec racer. So that's a 3.6, so it's about 0.8 slow, 3.5, so 0.7 slower. So probably looks about the same speed on the camera as it does or it looks about the same speed as the spec racer, but definitely not the same. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was short and sweet and to the point. We'll see you on the next one.